Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. Orange color, pink color, green color, yellow color, purple color, red color, parrot color, and the last one is sky blue color. So let's zoom in on the screen to color the heart. Now let's zoom out. How many hearts can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 hearts.